Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
I've tried has been worthless, and I don't wanna die in search of something better. Drop the ball and threw the towel in, walked the fence and failed the challenge. This ain't no way to live. This ain't no way to live. This is not the way things are supposed to be, I noticed. It's just me, but it really seems it's hopeless. Things are not the way I planned them. Avoid disasters, they still happen. Drop the ball and threw the towel in, failed the challenge. This ain't no way to live. This ain't no way to live. Maybe I'll move to North Korea, run away and never see again.